Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to dive into the world of game development with Scratch? Today, we'll explore 5 exciting game ideas that you can create on Scratch, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills. Let's get started. First up, we have a classic platformer game. Imagine guiding your character through challenging levels, avoiding obstacles, and defeating enemies. With Scratch's built-in gravity and collision detection blocks, you can create smooth and engaging gameplay. Next, let's look at a maze game. Your goal is to guide a character through a complex maze to reach the exit. You can add increasing difficulty, time limits, and hidden paths to make the game more exciting. Use broadcast messages to change levels and add checkpoints. How about a space shooter? Battle waves of enemies in outer space with your spaceship. Add different types of enemies, power-ups, and epic boss battles. Implementing smooth scrolling backgrounds and a high score system will make your game stand out. Puzzle games are always fun. Create a game where players solve different types of puzzles to progress. Whether it's matching, logic, or pattern recognition, varied puzzles keep players engaged. Make sure to provide clear instructions and progressively harder levels. Finally, let's talk about a racing game. Race against the clock or AI opponents on different tracks. Include multiple tracks, upgradable vehicles, and speed boosts. Use Scratch's timer and score blocks to track lap times and race positions. These are just a few ideas to get you started on your Scratch game development journey. Remember to plan your game, seek feedback, and have fun with the process. Share your creations with the Scratch community and inspire others. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more game development tips and tutorials. Happy coding!